Hello children, good morning all of you. So hope everybody is safe at home. So today we are going to discuss about 9th class 28th August assignment 5. We are going to discuss about topic is real numbers and the concept is problems on irrational numbers. Of course our concept is rationalizing factors. So let us come back to the model of this assignment children. It is consisting 2 Romans, each Roman consisting 5 questions. First Roman is having 5 MCQs and second Roman is having 5 blanks children. So let us come back to explanation of 9th class assignment 5 children. So first one of the first Roman, what is the value of 5 plus root 5? Value of 5 plus root 5 into 5 minus root 5 is equal to how much? As you know children, it is in the form of a plus b into a minus b is equal to a square minus b square. So 5 plus root 5 into 5 minus root 5 is of the form of a plus b into a minus b. So it is a square minus b square. Therefore, this is a plus b into a minus b, a square. So 5 square and b square, this is root 5 whole square. So 5 write itself how many times children? 2 times. So 5 into 5, 20. Minus. Square root means the value of 5 decreased 2 times, again increased 2 times. As number of times increased and decreased, the value remains we will obtain. So that is getting square and root getting cancelled. So if you subtract 5 from 25, the result gives 20. So what is the product of 5 plus root 5 and 5 minus root 5 children? 20. So it is given in second option children. Okay. So come back to second question. What is the rationalizing factor of 3 plus root 2? Question number 2. The rationalizing factor of 3 plus root 2 is how much? First of all, what is the meaning of rationalizing factor children? That means if you multiply a rational number with another rational number to make the product becomes when an irrational number, when an irrational number is multiplied with another irrational number to get the product becomes rational, then the second irrational number is taken as the rationalizing factor of first irrational number or rationalizing factor of second irrational number. That means as for third or irrational number is S1. So in this case both are mutually conjugate to each other. So in this case, according to this, what is the rationalizing factor of 3 plus root 2? So whenever you multiply a third with another to make the product becomes rational, say for example 3 minus root 2. So if you take this is a plus b into a minus b. So this is rational number. This is rational number. In this case, rationalizing factor of 3 plus root 2 is 3 minus root 2. Rationalizing factor of 3 plus root 2 is 3 minus root 2. Of course, it is given in the second option. Again, we need to verify, instead of asking 3 plus root 2, why can't we question like root 2 plus 3? This is like a commutative property under addition. So 3 plus root 2, root 2 plus 3 both are same. So in this case, this is like root 2 minus 3. This is like root 2 minus 3. So rationalizing factor of 3 plus root 2 is 3 minus root 2 or root 2 minus 3. We can take any option. So according to this, it is also for second option, it is also for third option. So this is both B and C is the correct answer. Both B and C is the correct answer. So third one. What is the value of 46656 whole power minus 1 by 6 is equal to how much? So if you go through the prime factorization for this, 46656 can be taken as 2 6 times and 3 6 times. It can be is 2 6 times and 3 6 times. Together 2 into 3 6 times. So this is 6 power 6. It can be expressed as 6 power 6. Now 46,656 if you taken to power minus 1 by 6. So 6 to the power of 6 into minus 1 by 6. 6 getting cancelled. 6 power minus 1. This is 1 by 6 power plus 1. So when 46,656 rise to minus 1 by 6, that means decreased 1 6 times, the value becomes 1 by 6. Of course, it is available in, it is given in third option. Okay children? Come back to fourth one. Come back to our next question, fourth one. So find the value of root 10 minus 1 by 2 root 2 up to 3 digits if possible. So whenever we are finding any irrational number in denominator, we should rationalize. So what is the rationalizing factor of root 2? That is root 2. So let us multiply numerator and denominator with root 2. So this is root 10 minus 1 into root 2 by 2 root 2 into root 2. Now root 10 into root 2, root of 10 into 2 minus 1 into root 2, root 2 by 2 into root 2 children, root getting cancelled. So this is, we can say, 4 into 5, 2 10 are 20, 4 5 are 20, 2 2 are 4. Now 4 5 are 20. 4 come out of square root, it is 2. Then this is 2 root 5 minus root 2 divided by 4. So it is already given in our question. What is the value of root 5 children? 2.236 minus, what is the value of root 2 children? 1.414 by 4. So this is 4.472 minus 1.414 by 4. So 12 minus 4, 8, 6 minus 1, 5, 3 minus 13 minus 4, 9. Then this is 3 minus 1, 2 by 4. Then this is 0.4728, remainder 115, 4 3 12, remainder 3 38, 4 9 36, remainder 2, so 4 5. So what is the value of root 10 minus 1 by 2 root 2 children? 0.7395. If you want only up to 3 digits, it is 0.739. It is 0.739. This is an answer for fourth question children. Come back to next question. Come back to fifth question children. So what is the value of 1 by root 7 minus root 6 is equal to how much? So what is the rationalizing factor? what is the rationalizing factor of root 7 minus root 6 is equal to root 7 plus root 6. We know that. So we should multiply the denominator with its rationalizing factor without changing the initial value. Let us take the same value for numerator. So 1 times of the number itself. It is a minus b into a plus b. A square minus b square. So this is root 7 plus root 6 divided by square root getting cancelled. So root 7 plus root 6 by 7 minus 1, 6. So finally, what is the value of 1 by root 7 minus root 6, children? Root 7 plus root 6. So it is given in third option, children. Come back to second Roman. Second Roman, sixth question, children. So, what is the value of 6 minus 4 root 2? Value of 6 minus 4 root 2 by 6 plus 4 root 2. Now children, 6 minus 4 root 2 by 6 plus 4 root 2. So, what is the rationalizing factor of 6 plus 4 root 2, children? We know that this is 6 minus 4 root 2. Let us take the same for numerator without changing the initial value. Now, numerator is having same terms like x into x square. So, 6 minus 4 root 2, write it 2 times, children. But this is a plus b into a minus b, a square minus b square, children. Now, this is a minus b whole square, children. So, a square plus b square minus 2a. 2 into 6 into 4 whole divided by 6 square, 36, and 4 2 times 16, square root is getting cancelled 2, 16 to 32. So 6 writing 2 times and 4 writing 2 times, 4 square 16, and square root getting cancelled 2, 16 to the 32 minus 2 6 jar 12, 12 4 jar 48. Right? This is 4. So when you common 4, 4 9 times, 4 8 times, 12 times by 4. These two are getting cancelled. So 17 minus 12 root 2. So what is the value of 6 minus 4 root 2 by 6 plus 4 root 2, children? 17 minus 12 root 2. This is the answer for question number 6. And come back to question number 7. So, the value of 1 by root 3 plus root 2 is how much? So, let us rationalize the denominator because we have irrational number in denominator. So, what is the rationalizing factor of root 3 plus root 2? Its conjugate. Root 3 minus root 2. Let us take the same value for numerator also. For what, children? Without changing the initial value. Now, 1 times of root 3 minus 2, and this is a plus b into a minus b. So this is root 3 minus root 2 by 3 minus 2, children. So root 3 minus root 2 by 1. So root 3 minus root 2. So, what is the value of 1 by root 3 plus root 2, children? Root 3 minus root 2. So, next question. Question number 8. This is actually value of 1 by root 3 plus root 2 is root 3 minus root 2. This is question number 7, children. And come back to question number 8. So what is the value of 1 by 3 root 2 minus 2 root 3? 1 by 3 root 2 minus 2 root 3. Okay, children. So here also we have irrational number is there on the denominator. Let us rationalize it. So 1 by 3 root 2 minus 2 root 3 multiply with its rationalizing factor, its conjugate. Let us take the same for numerator. So 1 times of the number is the number itself. In denominator it is in the form of a square minus b square, children. So this is 3 root 2. This is 2 root 3. So three root 2 plus 2 root 3 whole divided by, it is 3 square into 2, 9 into 2, 18. It is 2 square, 4 into 3, 4 times of 3, 12. So 3 times root 2 plus 2 times root 3 by 6. So what is the value of 1 by 3 root 2 minus 2 root 3, children? This is 3 root 2 plus 2 root 3 by divided by 6, children. This is the answer for question number 8, children. Now come back to question number 9. So question number 9. The value of 3 root 5 minus root 7, 3 root 5 minus root 7 whole divided by 3 root 3 plus root 2 is how much? So 3 root 5 minus root 7 by 3 root 3 plus root 2. So what is the rationalizing factor of denominator? Its conjugate, 3 root 3 minus root 2. 3 root 3 minus root 2. Take the same value in same number into denominator, numerator also. Now here it is like a minus b like c minus d. So first term. So let us multiply with the same number in numerator also. So this is first term. 3 root 5 into 3 root 3 minus again 3 root 5 into root 2 again minus root 7 into 3 root 3 minus into minus plus root 7 into root 2 whole divided by, it is a plus b into a minus b, children. So this is, what is a first term? What is b? Second term. Now, right. This is 3 3 are 9 into root 5 into root 3 root of 15 by 3 minus 3 into 5 choose root 5 into root 2, root of 5 into 10 minus 3 root 7 into 3, 21 plus root 7 into root 2, root of 7 into 2, 7 to that 14 divided by 3, 2 times 9, 9 3 get 27 and root square getting cancelled, 2 children. So this is 9 root 15 minus 3 root 10 minus 3 root 21 plus root 14 divided by 25. So this is our final answer for question number 9 children. What is the answer for value of 3 root 5 minus root 7 by 3 root 3 plus root 2? This is 9 root 15 minus 3 root 10 minus 3 root 21 plus root 14 children. So our next and last question. The ratio of the circumference to the diameter of C by D is represented by pi. We know that children. If you take any circle, its circumference is C, as its center is O, diameter D. So, ratio of the circumference of the circle, total length of the boundary C by length of the diameter D is represented by pi. The ratio of the circumference to the diameter of a circle C by D is represented by pi, but we say that pi is irrational number. Pi is irrational number. Irrational number means children, a number which cannot be expressed in the form of P by Q. But we are considering pi is C by D. C by D means it is in the form of P by Q. So, children, whenever you are finding this ratio of circumference to its diameter for smaller circle or bigger circle or very little or very large, whatever, the ratio is always non-terminating, non-repeating decimal children. Non-terminating, non-repeating. So we cannot convert non-terminating, non-repeating decimal as in the form of P by Q. Therefore, it is irrational number. Therefore, this ratio can be represented by a Greek letter pi. But we are usually taking the value of pi is 22 by 7 only for the purpose of calculation children, not for the purpose of actual value. So 22 by 7, the value of 22 by 7 is so close to the value of pi when we are taking decimal parts. Therefore, we are taking for the consideration of calculation purpose only. This is the reason why though we are representing a ratio with irrational number, as it is non-terminating, non-repeating decimal, we are denoting with a Greek letter pi children. So that's all the today's session, my children. Have a nice day and keep working. Thank you.